Hi, this is Kumaravel. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about work ethics. So, before we start work ethics, first we will define ethics. So, we can define ethics as the discipline that deals with what is good and bad, with moral duty and obligation. So now let us see what could be the origin of ethics. So everyone knows, right? So from our childhood days, so how we learned ethics, it's from our parents, isn't it? Okay. So our parents will teach, might have taught to us, so how we have to behave, how we have to speak to our elders. So they will correct us. So they are the teacher of ethics to us. Also, as a human being, we learn from our mistake. Okay, we do something. If it is wrong, then we learn from it and we will rectify our mistake. Okay, so this is nothing but origin of ethics. Next, work ethics. Work ethics nothing but the ethical culture which we follow in our working environment. So now we'll see what and all could be the elements of work ethics. First, it is about interpersonal skill. So here, interpersonal skill is about the habit, attitude, manners, appearance, and behavior we use around other people in our working place. Okay, see, it is very, very important because the way we speak to them, okay, the way we behave to them, it is very, very important because each and every time, right, we need to know what we do is good or bad. Okay, we cannot, which means that we cannot demotivate our colleague. Okay, so or we cannot tease them, right? Always we need to motivate each and everyone. Then next is about initiative. Why initiative? Because nowadays we have a very large organization where there might be a situation where you won't have direct supervision. So when we don't have direct supervision, it doesn't mean that we can do whatever we want to do, right? So we need to always think that, so whether there is someone to monitor you or not, you have to do the work in a proper manner or good sense. Okay, whether someone to monitor you or not, but you have to do your job in a proper manner. This is nothing but initiative. The last one is about being dependable. Why being dependable? Because if you consider a large organization, we have different department. So each and every department, the one stage of output will be an input to the next stage or another department. So it doesn't means that there is someone is going to use my output, whether you do things or not. That's not going to affect my job. So you cannot things like that. Always, if you have a work, you need to understand it that someone is going to realize your work and it's going to be given to the end user. So you need to see to it that, right? There shouldn't be any problems in your work, like because we need to be dependent.